Set up 9 pass and everything was to make a step on them ends figure fire wing. Silence creep up, not even drop a pin. People ask.
Welcome guys, Screenbot back again in another reaction video. Today we're gonna react to Little Mix Bounce Back vertical video, you see me? We already react to the song already and the video, but react to like the official video. Look at them build a remix video or something like so, you see me? But look like they're vertical, you know, they like wide screen, it's a vehicle is vertical, and probably them change it up and everything. So we're gonna check it out. People request this, so probably well good. I know me love Little Mix already, so we're gonna check it out and see what I go and feed, you see me? Hey, that! Hey, whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. Dog, they make me a nice start. But anyway, I'll check out this and see what I go and feed. You see me? So begin now. Oh! Then did change it up. It look like it look kinda like 80s, like the 80s. I dig fair I look. I like the pink ear, the makeup look nice. I dig fair I look, you see me? I look nice. Why body not beating soon? Lay on. She thinking about the D. And the dick she think, hold on. And the dick she think about something about like RT. What she say right there? You see me? I go to I don't remember that song yesterday, but me really appreciate the video. Cause I this the song already, I really the video really check out, you see me? Yo, never say something, hold on there, cause yo, let me say this. All the girls them beautiful, yes? All the girls them beautiful, we all know. But, dude. Layer and shape are the sexiest. What I mean sexiest? She have the dude, I know me have it. She shape sexier than all other girls. I'm not sure I like her, but when I look on it, she has her body shape. Watch it, pre that. The waist small and the hip come out. No, yo, she look like she all look lift weights or something. And look at abs them in her belly. But all that girl look good still, isn't it?
Baby, keep me wetter than I buy you. If you don't, I'ma walk right by you. Baby, touch me, tease me, keep it easy. Say who gon' send my way? Come alright, baby. Say who gon' send my way? However do you want me? However do you need me?
But not tell you, I dig the pink hair though. I'm not tell you, the pink hair, the lip with the lip, pink lip. Fit her, I'm not tell you, fit her. But boy, with the bamba. How shadow? Say who are in my way? Want me? feel me? Want me? With a bang bang bang. Yo, without the lie, even though that video here is very simple, but it kind of appealing in a way. You know what I mean? I'm not changing the whole for clothes. I'm not saying I want to so, but appealing. You know what I mean? I'm gonna say this again, not because I like Leon, dude. On the most can agree with me, Leon, shape wise, have the sexiest shape. She have like a model shape, and I realized it from which video? From some boyfriend video when she did the pool and had a white bikini. I say, wow. Come and never see her in a bikini. I say, wow, shit. It was shocking for she say she has such a nice body, you see me? I mean, I say, the girl look good, them shape good too, but you have to have a best in her all, you see me? Leon shape very damn well. Come on, I don't know if she do weightlifting or something, but anyway guys, this is the end of the reaction video. Don't know things, drop a like on the video if you don't like it. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe, share the video and everything there, and turn on post notifications so anytime I post a kind of video. Remember, it's very important. YouTube do some bag of crap right now, so support the channel. You see me? Peace out. Much love.